Kristen and I work for Daly Recreation, and today we're going to be making a string art heart. So the supplies you'll be needing are a paper plate, some yarn in reds, pinks, purples, some tape, a hole puncher, a pencil, and scissors. So the first thing you want to do is you want to fold your paper plate in half, draw half of a heart along the fold, and then cut it out. So now what you want to do is you want to take your hole puncher and hole punch holes around the perimeter of the heart. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your yarn and cut out 5 pieces of any of the colors around 3 feet long each. So now that you have your yarn cut out, you're going to go ahead and weave them through the holes in any direction you like, taping the beginning and the end together to keep it in place. You can do this as many times as you like until you're satisfied with your heart. So I hope you enjoy making this craft, and I'll see you next time.